welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to learn another concept of Python function. In last video we have seen how to create function, how to call the function, how to pass the parameter. This all concept we have learned in our last video. If you haven't watched this video, please I will recommend go and watch that video and come back on this video. So in this video we are going to learn about concept of args and kwargs. That is the argument, that is the way to pass the argument, and we'll learn in this we'll learn what the requirement, why we need this args and kwargs, since we were able to pass the parameter in normal way also. So why we need to use that? So let's get started this video, and we'll learn about these kwargs and args. And so basically in this Python function with args is nothing but argument that is that's arbitrary non-key argument. That's arbitrary non-key argument. So Python function with args use asterisks. So before like argument we need to pass asterisks. So here I would like to say this args, this is not like a hard and fast name. You can use args, you can use any other name also, but this is the Python naming convention, I can say. This is the naming convention, I can say. So in Python we can we use, so it's more readable and everyone can understand that name. It belongs to argument args. So that's what it's arg. Otherwise you can use any other name also. Strict args to pass any number of argument to a function, allows you to pass multiple non-key argument. It's arbitrary positional argument. So understand first why is it required really. So let me take one example. What I will do, I will just create one I'll take a function. In that function I will pass num1 and num2, and what basically we are doing, will return this I can say num1 plus num2. What I am doing here, I will call this function. Here what I am doing, I am calling this function sum num. In that I will pass any number, any random number to 3, and let's see what it's returning. So I can see 20 plus 30. So this function we are calling inside this print sum num, and we are passing 20 and 30. So 20 will go for num1, 30 will go for num2, and return num1 plus num2, that will 50. That's good, no problem. But what if I will add some another number? I am adding here 40. So now I am passing 20, 30, 40. But if you look at here, function is accepting only two arguments, num1 and num2. So what I am doing, I am just I call this function and I am passing 3 argument. See what the error is showing, saying sum num takes 2 positional argument, but 3 were given. What does it mean? Here this function is throwing an error. It's saying this function accepts only two positional argument, but 3 were given. We have given 3. So that's the problem. Let's think in that way. You are working on some project or some function, and there till that moment you are not knowing how many parameter we need to pass. Maybe in future you need to increase parameter argument also. So on that condition we can go for args argument. So that's basically it's a positional argument. It's a arbitrary positional argument. Okay, so what we can do, let me do some modification here, and let's go from here. So now what I am doing, I am putting args here, and then what I will do, I will just remove this, and what I can do, I will print here type of args to show you what basically it returns, type of args. And here what I will do, I will take this, and I will pass this, what it's giving. Now you can see what it's returning. It's returning tuple. So basically this args, it's a type of tuple. And now what I will do, I will add some functionality on this. So I will add maybe total. I will take one variable. Why I am taking this variable? So that I can store some of that value. So since it's returning a tuple, so what we need to do, we need to iterate all the numbers to add on that. So what I will do, I will run one, or maybe I'll take one variable, any variable name is fine, in to run the loop for AR and args. Then what I will do, I will just run this total, total plus equal this ARs. And then what I will do, I will, so now all the value it got loaded into total, and then I will return this total. So basically what I am doing, I am taking one additional variable total, total equal 0, then I am running through this loop for args. So args is holding it's a multiple argument, and through loop what I am doing, I am just running through loop, and one by one I am storing this value into total, and I am returning total. So since this function is returning something, so I need to store somewhere. So what I will do, I will do total sum, and then I can run like that, or I can run this value and I can print something. Let me take formatting a string, and I can put like sum of all numbers, and here I can pass this value. What is this? Total sum. And now let me check here. So now you can say this is the class tuple, sum of all number is 90. So what I am doing here, 20 plus 30, 50 and plus 14, it's a coming. Now as I said earlier, like earlier when a function we had defined 2 and we were passing 3, it was throwing in here. Now let me take example another. Now let me add more number. I will add 50, I will add 60. Now see what I have done, I have given like a 5 value, and now see there is no error. What it's doing, it's calculating. So that's the main feature of args. There you can give unlimited, you can give multiple arbitrary positional argument. What does it mean? Positional argument, that means this 0 is 20 is going on first position, 30 is going on second position, 30 40 is going on third position, like that. So it's going into this. If you want to run, what you can do, you can see, you can print here also, print, and you can see this how it's a printing. See here what I am doing, I am, since it's a positional argument, so first it's going 20, then 30, then 40, then 50, then 60, and it's a total. So that's called arbitrary positional argument. Now we'll go for another concept. Another concept is double star quarks, keyword args. What is done, this is also similar, but main difference is here, in args we were providing this positional argument. In args we are providing positional argument, but if you go for quarks, keyword args, there we are not providing positional argument. It will take multiple arbitrary keyword argument. It's a form of dictionary. How we pass in dictionary key and value pair, so in the same way it will take key value pair in form of dictionary. So what it will return, it will return in the form of dictionary. Let's take example here. So what I will do, I will take another example here. Let me take another example. What I will do here, maybe I'll take some example like a student, or maybe employee details. So what I will do, this employee details, and I will pass this double star kw args. And then what I will do, I will print, and I will pass type of kw args, and let me call this function employee details. And then what I will, so as I said, this is a keyword argument quarks. So that means we need to pass in keyword argument in form of dictionary. So what I will do, I will pass in the form of like ename equal data, ename equal data coders. Then we can pass emp employee id will pass maybe 1001. Then after we can pass emp address we can pass USA, and then we can pass emp salary, you can pass maybe 5000. Now let's see what it's returning. So as I said, this quarks keyword argument, it's a type of dictionary. So that's what we are passing the form of dictionary. This is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the value. So let me add here some function, maybe key, and in what I can do in KWQuartz. So if you want to get key value only from dictionary, so what we need to is we need to use keys, and after that what you can do, you can print all this value. So that is the key. Let me print now and see what we are printing. This e name, employee ID, employee salary, employee address, employee salaries we are printing. Now what we need to do, if we need to get for example, we need to get the value. What we'll do, KWRs and values, and print all these values. That we can do all these values and then see what it's a printing. So here what we are printing, first employee name we are printing here. Maybe you can add here name, this int equal. Similar you can print some, what I am doing, that I am giving a space so that everything it will print on the same line, it will not go for multiple line. So now see, employee ID, this all everything is getting printed into the same line. Okay, then what I can do, I can print another here, maybe for I can print all value in the same key value in KWRs dot items. So when you want to print both key and value in the same loop, we can use items. So using that items, what we can do, we can pass this, we can pass maybe key comma value. So we can pass like that. See, employee doing, I am printing here employee name data coders, then employee ID, employee address, employee salary. So like that I am doing. So that's basically for quartz KW arts, keyword args. That basically what it does, it returns in the form of dictionary. There you can get the value in the term of key and value pair, allows you to pass multiple arbitrary keyword arguments. So that for KWRs quarks. And if you are going for art, so there it will be non-key, it will non-key argument, and there is a arbitrary keyword argument. That's the main difference. Let me take an example for both, where we can run for both how it works. So there what I will do, I will take one go here, there I will pass both. What I will do, I will pass this args and I will pass this quartz. So here basically what I am going to do, I will take one function. In that function basically I will take let me remove this. What I will take, I will take a for maybe args and args. So basically what I am doing, I am just printing this arg and comma I am giving just in the print in the same line. Okay, and then what I am, so it will, if you go here, so it will print dict. What I am printing, it's a dict for this, and I am not pass. Okay, let me pass for args. So since args what it take, it's take a positional argument. So we didn't give as of now positional argument. So let me give in the same way. Maybe I can give like a data. I can give here data. I can give 100. I can give some other maybe New York. Maybe New York, like that. I will give here, let me put double quote. So what I am doing now, I am passing see data 100 New York, that is the positional, that for args. I am not printing anything for this. I am not putting any loop. As of now it's not comes. As of now it's clear. So now what I will do, I will add something for quarks. So here what I will do, I will just put something for a key, a value in this quarks dot item. Both I am trying to just show you in the same function. Then you can see here, you can like this key value, and here what I am doing, this value go, and maybe I'll put some condition to print if emp sal in in quarks, then what it will do, then it will print then it will print this value, or this let me print in this formatting string employee id. What it will do, so now I need to get this kw quarks dot. So what you can use, you can use this get function. Get function will help you to get the key from dictionary. So I'm using this get function, and that get function, what I will pass, what you want to get, you want to get employee id. So if employee salary is available in this quarks keyword args, so you can get this value. So now what I'm doing, we have this salary, and I will get this value, and then what I will do, I will maybe print one more value. I can do employee address, maybe check the employee address, and then you can pass kw quarks dot get, and in get you can pass what you want to pass, emp address. So let's see here, and maybe in else I can put some condition, so that if condition doesn't match, it will print you condition not matched. You can something, so that you will know whether it's working fine or not. Condition not matching. So now let's see what's happening. So here you see first, let's see one by one. Here printing arg for this is fine, no problem. Then condition not matching. Why condition not matching? Let's see. So we have emp sal in our, so see here, ename, emp id, emp address, and emp salary. So I see emp salary is not there. Here emp salary is not there. We have defined employee salary, emp salary. Let me copy this and print here. Now see. So now see, emp salary 5,000 is a matching, then employee address is showing, then employee address, everything is printing. Since it's in loop, that's why it's in, printing that many times. If you want to keep out of this loop, what you can do, let me take that also, so that you will get another concept for that. So I can print a key value, what it's coming here, that I will do, and then after I can this condition I will put out of this for loop. So let me put in out of for loop. So what we have done, we have kept one for args, one we have kept for kwargs, and this is for just to check the condition. Now condition is completely out. See here, first we have checked this type, then here we are coming, this is for our args data 100 New York, and then after what I am doing, I am checking key value. In key value, ename data coders, and this name all, and once when we are checking this condition, if emp condition is matching, then I can print one more condition to check, to just show you inside if condition. Now you can see here, so we are inside the if condition. So what we can do now, you see, just I made a one line gap, so that you can understand nicely here. Maybe I'll make one more gap, and then you can see how it's, yeah, it looks better. So here first condition we are checking we are checking this args, and then after we are checking this key value, that means this it's getting printed. It's the employee name, data coder, then employee id, employee address, salary. And then after what I am doing, I am checking this condition. In condition I am checking if imp sal in kwargs, inside condition it's a matching, then it's going for here and saying what is the employee id. Employee id is 1001, and then after employee address is USA. That's it for this concept. That is the one of the Python function concept. There we are passing args and kwargs as which will help you when you don't know how many argument will come. That's it for this video. Please let me know if you have any question in comment section. I'll be happy to answer all your question. Please like and subscribe my channel, which motivates us to make more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till that time, bye bye, take care, keep learning, keep growing.